Struggling to figure out where to start with the ISO certification process? No matter which ISO management system standard you're working with, preparing for certification can feel overwhelming, but we have a way forward. Welcome to Wynleigh International's YouTube channel. In this video, we'll show you exactly how to prepare for your ISO certification audit, helping you align your business goals, plan your resources, and get audit ready. By the end, you'll have a clear roadmap to achieve certification with confidence. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the bell for notifications. Not every organization needs certification, but certain indicators generally suggest it might be beneficial. Before jumping into the certification process, ask yourself, do your customers or supply chain partners require ISO certification? Are there legal or industry regulations that make certification necessary? Are you looking to improve operational efficiency or risk management? Do you want to expand into international markets? If you answered yes to any of these, ISO certification may be a strategic advantage for your business. The timing of certification is important, so consider things like alignment with business growth phases and customer demands. A structured framework can help your organization scale effectively. If key clients expect ISO certification, acting early can prevent lost business opportunities. Before diving into the certification process, it's crucial to define what you want to achieve. Specifically, what outcomes are you looking to achieve by certifying your ISO management system? Is the business looking to enhance reputation? Certification can exponentially boost your credibility and stakeholder confidence. Does the business need to improve efficiency? A well-structured management system eliminates inefficiencies and improves operational outcomes. Is the business seeking global market access? International trade often requires accredited certification. Understanding your objectives and expectations will help align your certification journey with your business strategy. Preparation is key to a successful certification audit. Without a plan, businesses may face delays, budget overruns, or even certification failure. Let's dive into some of the key things to consider in your certification audit preparations. Planning of personnel means considering things like: who is leading the project? Who is involved in the audit? Does everyone know what to do during the audit? Do you need external guidance to support your ISO journey? If so, who in the industry is best suited to your business type and your expected outcomes? Will this expert help with staff training? Will this expert assist with system implementation? Will this expert assist with audit preparedness? Don't forget to consider and plan the required resources. Things like budgeting. The associated audit costs is something that can easily be forgotten. You'll need to plan logistics for things like travel, meeting rooms, meals, and more. In addition, be sure to allocate time for personnel required to take part before, during, and after the audit. Beyond resource planning, your team needs to be fully prepared for audit day. You can do so by familiarizing your team with the structure and expectations of a certification audit. Help them understand what the auditors will ask during audits and what the intended audit outcomes should be. An accredited certification process comprises a 3-year cycle that includes a series of audits. ISO 17021 Part 1 requires a 2-stage initial audit to award certification. Let's dive into preparation for each phase in the certification audit cycle. Your initial certification audit consists of a Stage 1 and a Stage 2 audit. We consider this phase to be year 0 in the certification audit cycle. The initial certification audits assess the conformance of the entire management system. Certification is awarded following the successful completion of the initial audit stages. The Stage 1 audit is also known as the readiness audit. The auditors will assess your level of preparedness ahead of the system verification audit. Before entering into the Stage 1 audit, you must address all and any previously identified non-conformities. All documentation should also be well organized and made available upon request. Next, the audit team will tackle the Stage 2 audit. People commonly refer to the Stage 2 audit as the certification audit because it's a thorough evaluation of the organization's ISO management system. It's crucial that your team are prepared for auditor interviews and reviews of evidence, including management reviews and internal audits. You can practice audit interactions by conducting mock audits with your team. They should feel confident in their processes and responsibilities. During years 1 and 2 of the certification audit cycle, your organization will undergo surveillance audits. These are partial system audits that assess ongoing conformance and identify areas for improvement. It's key to treat surveillance audits as an opportunity to refine and enhance your system. Ensure ongoing compliance by regularly reviewing processes, keeping documentation up to date, and allocating resources for continual improvement. In year 3, your system will undergo a recertification audit. This is another comprehensive audit intended to confirm that the management system continues to meet the standards requirements. Preparing for the recertification audit involves the same techniques and should feel a lot easier to your team as they become increasingly more experienced with the process. After successfully passing your recertification audit, you will receive a new certificate with updated validity dates. Each successive 3-year cycle follows the same process. So, as you can see, preparing for your upcoming certification audit doesn't have to be overwhelming. With proper planning, you can achieve system verification and gain certification with ease. Check out our full blog post on how to prepare for ISO certification, and be sure to download our guide, How to Resource Plan for ISO certification. Our industry directory is designed to help you find ISO experts who can support you on your journey. If you found this helpful, be sure to like and share it with your network. We're trying to build a community focused on business excellence. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you're the first to see our videos. See you next time.